Microsoft rolling out the new Copilot in Excel, and this will be the third approach for the AI capabilities in the Excel application. Learn what will change. Hi, my name is Szymon Bochniak, I'm Copilot MVP, and I'm helping organizations to use Copilot in the efficient way to improve business processes and personal productivity in the organization. And today I want to show you the new Copilot application in the Microsoft Excel. This will be the third approach for the way how Copilot will work in the Excel app. On the channel you can find a video that presenting advanced analytics and advanced capabilities on the Copilot that you can still test on your tenant. But since February 2026, Microsoft will deprecate all of these features and move Copilot to the totally new era with agentic approach, the solutions that will be able to be used in Excel, but also from the chat application. So very new, very flexible and very efficient approach to the advanced analytics, building apps in the Excel and much more. So let's switch to my screen and let's see how the new Copilot in Excel will look like. So first of all, what you need to know that the new Copilot in Excel will continue to work in the way that we have the fully functional Copilot approach on the right side panel with agentic solutions and with the capabilities connected with Excel, but in the settings of the chat we will have the new capability here that will replace previous solutions. First of all, we will have agentic mode that will provide advanced work with the data in Excel, but also Analyst, which will replace previous advanced analytics approach for the data. We will use the same theme I used in the previous video presenting Copilot in Excel and Advanced Analytics, where we will work on 212,000 of the records connected with the crime statistics from the Chicago from 2020. And you can see in using Analyst, so the agent that could provide deep dive analysis on top of the data, we asking Copilot to do the assessment, analysis of the data and some kind of visualization. In the previous example, we had to analyze Excel data using advanced analytics, creating sandbox in Azure, which was extremely slow. That was very difficult to use because Python was used in the background. More of it was not possible to mix the analysis with the knowledge of Copilot or knowledge based on the web search. So it was quite limited solution, powerful analyzing solution, but still limited from the any kind of flexibility. Right now we are using advanced analytics and reasoning based on Analyst agent that will work inside of the Excel file, will analyze the data and provide very similar results with much more flexible approach, much faster. So let's give it a moment and let's see what kind of results we will get. So it could take few minutes for Copilot, especially Analyst agent, to provide you the results. You can see in this case it was almost 3 minutes to get the results, but this is based on the deep reasoning approach, so multiple steps and also advanced reasoning and analysis based on the data we have in the Excel. And you can see Copilot could provide very interesting results, very interesting statistics and visualization of the data from the perspective of the correlation between different type of crimes, communities areas, or even categorize visualization of the specific events on the map of Chicago. All of that is delivered very well on the very similar quality we received previously in the advanced analytics, but still we have much more flexibility in here. And I believe the model that we're working on is much simpler than previous solution in the Excel. Moreover, we can analyze the results done based on that data and compare it with some information and knowledge from internet based on web search. So for instance, we can analyze how the deviations between data looks per month and search for the and gather some knowledge to help us to analyze what could be the results of the fluctuations between specific months. You can see here we have specific statistics about deviations of the average number of crimes per month, and we receive specific analysis what could impact this scenario. In this case, you can see because of that time it was time of the lockdowns, but also some events connected with the way how the police work in the US. That was the events that are suggested by Copilot that could impact this specific data in our Excel. Something that we can find out by ourselves, but still it is much easier to gather that kind of knowledge to help us analyze the results we're finding in our Analyst in the Excel application. So from my perspective, I think this approach is much more efficient, faster, simpler to work with. Moreover, it supports also multiple languages, where previous advanced analytics only support English. Let's give a moment for our analyst to deliver us the final approach. And again, after the moment, we can get the visualization of the deviations of the data with some kind of advisory behind it. This is fantastic feature that extend capabilities for the data analysis that we can use using Copilot in the Excel app. Moreover, what we can also do when we're working with Copilot, similar exercise I did in the previous version of the Copilot in Excel to prepare some kind of forecast on or prediction of the data. But moreover, here what we can do that kind of prediction and compare it with the statistics based on the knowledge used in the web search in the internet. This is fantastic feature that allows us not only to use AI capabilities to do some kind of prediction of the data, but extend it for some kind of trends and statistics from the general knowledge in the world. And again, when you compare this functionality with the previous version approach, you get very detailed crime statistics, prediction, where in the previous solution it was super basic forecast for the next month. Moreover, this solution finds the real-time data that you can use to compare it with the prediction forecast prepared by AI, and also you can try to visualize that data to find specific differences, how to compare it. Again, something that was totally not possible to be executed using previous solution. Now we can do much more advanced analysis of the data with extending that with the external knowledge. It is great improvement for the way how you can explore advanced analytics of the data in the Excel using Copilot. As you can see, evolution of Copilot is rapid, so that's why I highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel and stay with me a little longer, that I will keep you up to date with the new approaches for the advanced usage of the AI capabilities in the Microsoft 365. Moreover, if you will like this specific video, I want to ask you to leave the thumbs up. If you will have any questions about Copilot in Excel, please use the comment section, and thank you very much for supporting this channel. The next change that you need to be aware of from perspective of Copilot in Excel is agent mode in the Copilot in Excel. So same tools option, you will be able to select agent mode, which will open you to advanced work with the data in Copilot with the totally new way. As you can see here, you can also decide what kind of data sources, for instance web, you want to use. But what is great and very interesting here, by design you have auto model selected to support your work, and behind Copilot will decide between GPT 5.2 from OpenAI and Claude Opus 4.5 from Anthropic. Both models can support your work with Excel application, and Copilot will select the better one for the purpose of your need. Sounds very exciting. Moreover, in the previous version of Copilot, again, only English language was supported, but from perspective of Anthropic, English, Spanish, Japanese, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, and Chinese are supported, but from perspective of OpenAI, also Korean, Dutch, Swedish, Polish, Portuguese, Norwegian, Turkish, Danish, Finnish, Chinese, Thai, Czech, Hungarian, Ukrainian, and Russian, extending this list. This is great news because you will be able to use agent mode with your local language working with Excel. Fantastic update. So let's see how Excel mode could extend the way how you work with Excel and your data. What you need to remember, this is the action-oriented approach. So agent mode will be able to change your data, will work on your sheet. Of course, you can redo all operations done by the agent just going back, but still I recommend to duplicate your data to be sure that if agent will do the changes that you will not prefer, you will also have the copy of the initial state. So you can see still this is great approach because it's not only will deliver you some information, but will do actionable operations on top of your Excel data. And I want to give you a few examples how you can use it. For instance, you can ask Copilot to analyze your data, to review any kind of elements that are missing specific informations, and extended of marking these positions. And you will see from perspective of this data structure, Copilot will verify latitude and longitude from the perspective, so geographic location for the specific records, and highlight the ones that are missing that data. And you will see it will also extend the structure, add new columns, and highlight this specific information. And after some analysis, our agent in Excel will extend the structure of our Excel file, prepare specific rules, and categorize specific data and mark it. Moreover, whenever you will track this few minutes configuration, you will see that it testing multiple scenarios to be sure that it provides most efficient solution for the extremely large Excel file. And moreover, you get quite interesting description about how this solution works. This is a smart way of working. So let's see a few more cases how you can use agent mode in the Excel. In this case, let's see how we can validate some data using chart to compare few elements and how agent mode could help us with that. So in this case, for this quicker scenario, just to visualize that data, you can see in 4 steps, agent prepared for us specific visualization of the theft versus battery on the screen, but for instance, sometimes it will put this chart somewhere in the very strange location, so you can ask, where is my chart? And what you will see, agent will search for this chart and move it to the proper location that will be visible for the user. If for any reason this chart will be misplaced in some strange location. This is very smart way of working, especially you can see, especially from the perspective if you're searching for this data. For instance, in this case, this specific chart was located in here in this specific location, and again it selected the place where the most charts were published to publish it. But if for any reason you will not be able to find it, it could help you to find that kind of chart. Moreover, you can ask Copilot to move this chart to the source of the data when you're using it. Again, you can see this is very proactive approach where agent mode could really help you to work with your Excel application to move some data, improve the formulas, prepare the visualization, and do something on top of your data. Moreover, and you can see on the screen, it is moved to the chart where it should belong at the very beginning. So this kind of activities is also something that we can do. This is very smart way of working. Moreover, If we want to work to prepare some kind of application, for instance, we have clear new sheet and we want to build specific dashboard, we can ask Copilot to do that. In this case, in the agent mode, Copilot will create specific app with formulas, with data structure, with dashboard, everything from the scratch using these capabilities and deliver you the app inside the Excel. Of course, I'm referring here to the specific data we using in this example, but in your case, you can start with the blank page and ask Copilot the agent mode to prepare you the app to calculate the taxes or help you to plan the travel costs for your business trips. Sounds very, very interesting. And in the moment, we getting specific dashboard visualized as a part of our solutions with our formulas prepared for us. This is fantastic approach, much more advanced than previous advanced capabilities of the Excel in Copilot. It's worth to try it on your side. You can see the new capabilities of Excel are fantastic, but still I'm also a little tired with the number of changes in the area of Copilot. If you want to stay on top of it, contact me. I can help you and your team to get more from Copilot and stay up to date for that kind of advanced capabilities for the not only Excel but also other applications which are part of the Microsoft 365. Use the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. I will respond to your email immediately. It's time to prepare yourself for new Excel and very smooth advanced AI capabilities inside Excel app with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Again, I'm also very tired of the number of constant changes in the Microsoft 365 Copilot, but still, these features I shared with you are super advanced, very easy to be working with, and really giving great new power for using Excel with AI. Try it, you should be prepared that all of these features will be native mode for the Microsoft 365 Copilot in Excel starting February 2026. Thank you very much for watching, thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.